cracking the Numpty clips for the first time. Lael is fun. March 2021.
Why can't I provide my idea, hypothesis? The moon is a physical object.
Wrong. Well, number one, a hypothesis isn't merely an idea. It's a supposition into natural cause and effect relationships. Number two, the moon is a physical object. Dumpster fire hypothesis is a what is Numpty declaration, not a how-why natural cause and effect relationship. By the way, you'd fail 5th grade general science.
I'm just curious of why my hypothesis isn't a good hypothesis.
Look at you, big dummy.
I already told you. And scientific hypotheses aren't good or bad. They're either viable or they're not.
I'm going to tell you right now. Let's hear your natural observed phenomena.
The moon.
Wrong. The moon is not a naturally observed phenomena or dependent variable. It's a concrete noun. The naturally observed phenomena, keyword, has to be an action, i.e. occurrence or circumstance. That's why you're DOA out of the gate and is going to lead to, as we'll see, abject preposterous absurdity downstream.
Your dependent variable is the moon. What's your independent variable in your hypothesis?
Everybody on Earth.
Keep going.
Everyone on Earth can independently determine and see.
Okay, if a real
exists.
Glober wants to go at, if there's a real Glober that wants to go at,
Let Lael
let
do
me
it.
know.
Oh, son of a... That's gonna leave a mark.
So your knucklehead hypothesis is actually the moon is caused by everybody on Earth.
Are you serious?
For your safety and others. Take the next 3 days off, then quit.
In one scientific experiment, you can have multiple independent variables, and you can manipulate those independent variables.
Wrong again, Numpty. From University of Texas, there can only be one independent variable and one dependent variable in an experiment. Everything else that can impact the experiment must be kept constant or controlled. These are known as controls.
What's your evidence? I don't care what Buzz said. I want your evidence that it can't be measured.
What the hell did you just say?
What's your evidence that it can't be measured? You can't base your ideas off theirs because they believe in a globe. So what's your evidence that the geometric horizon cannot be measured?
So you're asking for evidence, a positive, of the non-existence, a negative of something, eh? Do you live under power lines, son? Or snack on paint chips from the 70s? You got double-decker fallacies here. From logicallyfallacious.com, proving non-existence. Description: demanding that one proves the non-existence of something in place of providing adequate evidence for the existence of that something. From cuny.edu, so the burden of proof rests with the person making the claim and a positive claim. It is shifting the burden of proof for the person making the positive claim to insist that those who deny the positive claim have the burden to prove that the positive claim is false. So, to refute his negative claim, the absence of measurement, you simply have to provide the measurement. Which of course you can't. That's why you're reduced to your Elmer Fudd sophistry, bash your face in with a spade shovel, double-decker fallacy.
Whoa, check out the hotties at 12 o'clock. That's 3 hours away. Why can't I check them out now?
That's everybody else. I want your evidence that we can't see it.
Percentage, can you give a definition of motion versus acceleration? Thank you.
Non sequitur question from your average shamalama gamma panda ding dong server pretender clown idiot. From Hyperphysics, Georgia State University.edu. Motion is described in terms of displacement x, time t, velocity v, and acceleration a. This is tantamount to asking, can you give a definition of water versus H2O? Clown.
If the
hold up, Lael.
Earth is rotating 1,000 miles an hour, and it consistently rotates at 1,000 miles an hour, it's in motion.
Lael, is it moving linear or
There
non-linear?
is not acceleration because
Lael,
it's going the
is the
same
Earth moving
speed.
Wrong. If an object is rotating, i.e. has angular velocity, it is by definition accelerating. Next block of instruction, how to look at a cereal box in July.
If the rotation of the Earth is 1,000 miles an hour.
Don't answer my question because it proves you're wrong. But okay.
No, if the rotation of the Earth is 1,000 miles an hour.
Still don't answer it.
He did answer. He said the rotation.
1,000 years from now, and it will be continuously that speed, then it's in motion, but it's not accelerating.
Retard!
I'm
Right?
100% correct.
You're 100% Dunning-Kruger Numpty dipshit. And I'm done with this.
Whoa! Wow! When I say whoa, I mean whoa!
Let's put another shrimp on the barbie.
Prepare yourself.
When he fills
Quite right
his bicycle with air, it is not gas pressure. It is just pressure.
Are you high right now?
He's filling up the the tire with air, which is causing the pressure in the tire to expand.
It just happens that air happens to be a gas.
No, the gases are the air, not a gas. It's air.
What the hell did you just say?
Are the air not a gas? It's air.
Did you just say air is not a gas? It's air?
Are the air not a gas? It's air.
You need to turn your tricycle in at the next depot and report to the who and where the f*** am I institution immediately.
That's all, folks.